There was this village where everyone grumbled about their problems. And they also very strongly believed that their problem is the biggest problem in the world. And others' problems are very easy, very simple. So every day they would grumble and they would complain to God, God, why did you give this problem to me? So one day, God also got fed up. So he made an announcement from the skies, Akashvani. On this particular day, you all can come to a particular place with your problems and dump your problems there. And I give you an exchange offer. You can pick up any other problem which you feel is lighter than your problem and take it. So everybody liked the idea very much. On that particular day, everybody came there, dumped their problem, felt it so good and so light. And then they picked up another problem. Oh my God, this is heavy. No, I don't want this. They put it down. Picked up another one. Oh my God, this also is heavy. Oh, this also is heavy. And in the end, guess what? They took their own problem back because they found that was the lightest problem of all. So problems are actually good. Problems means that you are alive. Only dead people have no problems. Or see it from another angle. Let's say a person earns 1,000 rupees per month. And there's another person who earns 1 lakh per month. Now the person earning 1 lakh is earning 100 times more than the 1,000 rupee fellow. Now let's ask a few questions. Is this person 100 times more qualified? Is he 100 times more educated? Is he 100 times more smart? Is he working 100 times more time? Is he 100 times more lucky? So the answer you get is no. So where is the difference? The difference is the person who gets paid 1 lakh rupees is always asking, where is the problem? Give it to me. And the person earning 1,000 rupees will say, I don't want any problems. Apne ko lafda nahi chahiye. So problem means growth, problem means opportunity, problem means possibility. So if you feel you don't have any problems in your life, I think you should be worried because it's an indication that you are on your way out. So please go to the nearest church or temple or masjid and pray to God, God, you don't love me anymore. Please send me some problems. I hope you found the video useful. Yes, then please share it, like it, comment on it, and most important, subscribe to my YouTube channel to keep getting cool videos like this. This is RajivKumarLuv, your friend, your personal coach and guide. I'll be back with yet another video. Until then, bye.